There is a lesson everybody needs to know. It's something not all understand, not everyone possesses. No matter who, no matter what, no matter when, the result will stay the same. Things happen every single day, but I make sure that doesn't occur. I make things unique, stronger than electricity. Doesn't matter whatever happens, I am greater than static as I am made. Say you don't believe me. Let me tell you about the day I had called up my friends, went out to the bar, pulled out the cards. Without me, you see, my friends would indeed be rotting at home for free. Texas Hold'em, my favorite game to play. Oh, if only I knew what would happen that fateful day. After a beer, maybe 2 treat, I got work tomorrow, glee. That night, one could see I was stronger than electricity, or the telecast can be. Didn't matter on my hand or how much money my friends spent. They didn't care, we were having fun for one reason. I was the party animal. However, in that example, I use the past tense a lot, that's for a reason. On that fateful day, I ended up clocking out 11:30 or so. Walked to the car, pulled out my keys, and that is the last moment I would ever see. Whatever.